Hi, Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today we're going to look at a 2020 195 fish from Yamaha. Starting on the back of the 195 fish. Has a nice locker back here for a 5-gallon bucket. Rear backrest on the swim platform. Cup holders, flush mounted cleats, stainless flush mount rod holders. Backrest on the seats. It's got a flip-flop seat for your captain's chair, tilt steering wheel, stereo, T-top, nice large bow area, plenty of seating. Shallow draft, jet drive. Get in places where other boats can't maneuver. Very easy to dock. This is the 2020 195 Fish Sport by Yamaha. If you'd like to see this boat or any others that we have at MarineMax Lake Norman, give us a call at 704-997-2168 or stop on by.